Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share these new products with you today because they coordinate and they go perfectly with our club set for this month, the Sweet Summer Hats. Now, just to finish out the collection, we have more hats and a male hat, just because you need boy hats too sometimes, right? So here we go. We have a cute little flowy type girl hat. Then we have Hat You Been, Hats Off to You, Little Sunshine, Missing Your Sunshine, Stay Shady. I love that one. And a beautiful, kind of like a seashore type fence. Now, of course, yes, there are dies that match. And there are more stamps that have good puns. So for example, sunny hugs, sunny wishes, brimming with joy, may your day be full of sunshine, happy birthday, hats off to another fabulous year, shade happens, and stay cool, friend. Love it. Now, we've also come out with this awesome background die. I love this, the simplicity of it at the same time of how awesome it is and how perfect it goes with this month's selection. Now, this was designed by, well, not designed, but it was given to me as an idea by BC, and she's going to get a free one of this because it's so awesome. And last but not least, we have a stencil set. Now, I always need to warn you each and every month, stencil sets are very limited. Once they are gone forever because we cannot reorder them because we have to reorder so many. So once it's gone forever. So make sure you get in on that ASAP. Now, just a heads up for those of you that do know, I know you already know, but the first 24 hours or until sold out, these items are on flash sale. Yay! I know, isn't that awesome? Plus club members, of course, you get your club discounts as well. Let's jump in and look at all these awesome samples I have. So here's a cute one with 3 little hats together. I love that. Or you can make your own background paper, which is so much fun. Here is that fun background die, just using half of it. Isn't that awesome? I just love that. Such a cute idea. So fun. Here is that awesome little fence. I just love that little fence. It's so Eastern type seashore kind of thing to me, in my brain at least. Or here's a fun one for Father's Day. Look how cute that is. I love that. And here's a cute one, a stand-up, which is just so adorable. Happy birthday for all the guys in your life. Then we go back to the feminine side. And again, there's that background die. You're going to see that background die way more than you would ever expect because it's so versatile. Because guess what, my friends? Here it is again. I love it. Here's one with those fun, fancy edges. And let me tell you, the fancy edge dies go perfect with this stamp and die set, right? Now here is a gorgeous one. This is the flower fold over. Look at how cute this is. You can open this up. It has Velcro to close it if you want to. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that stunning? Now, here we go with that fence. Isn't that awesome? I just love it. It's a seashore. I don't know. I really love that one. Now, here's another one. Mr. and Mrs. Perfect for all the weddings that are coming up this season. Here's that background die again. I'm telling you guys, you have to get the background die. You really, really do. Here's another one of that background die. All of the different ideas using that background die. I'm going to see if I can find any more really quick. Looks like I showed them all to you. So much fun, right? Now here's a cute one. Make your own background paper on the grid paper. Party hats. Whoops. Party. Oh, let's get that belly button notch up there. Hats off to you. Here's a fun one. I love this. Look how cute this is. This is the Create a Scene card. Folds flat for mailing, but look how cute that is. Oh, here's that corner fold over. Love it. Folded corner card. Isn't that cute? It's just so fun. And look how cute it is to make your own background paper onto pattern paper, right? So there's an example of that. Here's another example of that. Making your own background paper, but on top of pattern paper. So fun. Here's another awesome example. Love that. Sunny wishes. Hats. Hat you been? Hat you been? How you been? Here's that fancy edge again, you guys. Remember that fancy edge rectangle set. You go grab yours. I know a lot of you already have it. Here's another one. Hats off to you. Hats off to another fabulous year. Now, club members, I know you know that you get 15 to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order on our website. If you're not a club member, you can join for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set. So go check us out, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch the video. It's going to give you all of the ideas and all of the information that you need to know about the clubs. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.